Good morning, you're through to We've Got the Key. How can we help you today?
You do have good days and you do have bad days being a locksmith. For me, a good day is having your area. So I cover Norfolk and Suffolk. You can get like 7 jobs in Norfolk and Suffolk. So you get jobs done a lot quicker because they're close by. The type of jobs as well is when they go really smoothly. It sets your day up, especially when like your first 2 jobs go really smoothly and you have no problems whatsoever. And the customers as well, sometimes they will literally just be by my shoulder and they'll watch me the whole way because it's such an interesting job to have. They're really happy with watching everything and seeing how quickly everything can be done. Sometimes it can take time on certain jobs, but most of the time it's quite quick. And they're very surprised by it and they just extremely happy with how everything's gone and the fact that they've now got a new key or they've just got their key out of their car. So we've got 5 jobs today. Could be more, could be less, but so far we've got 5. They're ranging at the minute anything between a spare key, a new key, well, like all keys lost. I think we have a customer who isn't able to start her car for her Mercedes. So all that is just going out and having a look, just to see if anything's wrong with the key, anything's wrong with the car, just doing a diagnostic check. We are going to, so where we're going to now is Bury St Edmunds. And what we're doing there is a Renault Kangoo. So this guy has lost all of his keys and he wants 2 new keys. So what we're going to be doing is going there, we're going to be decoding the lock so we can then cut the key and then programming the remote in, and we're setting them up with 2 new keys so he can then obviously drive his van. So that's in Bury St Edmunds.
The service was 100% today. The person who was doing it was absolutely brilliant, first class. I have no complaints about the service and the reception I got. I answered first this morning with the phone call and then within a half a day the response was brilliant.
Hello, my name's Lucy, I'm the auto locksmith.
Hi.
Hello. Just giving you a quick call. So I understand you've lost all of your keys for your Renault. Do you live quite close to where the van is? It's at work. Oh, okay. So I'm now about 45 minutes away from you. That's fine, yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right then, I'll see you in 45 minutes.
Fantastic.
All right, thank you. Bye. Sceneries in some places are just incredible. I'm a big fan of house shopping, so I love seeing big houses, and that makes my day because you get to see so many different ones. But that's one thing that I enjoy about driving, is it can be long hours, but at the same time you go to so many different places and there's not really many jobs where you can say I've been here today and I've been there yesterday and you know I've been here, there and everywhere and seeing this, that and everything else. And it's just some of the places that you go to are incredible, especially the sceneries. I think it was Northampton I went to last week to do someone's car, and he was at some sort of reservoir place, and there was just a beautiful lake and the sun was shining and the water was glittering and it was amazing. And yeah, so you really get to see some really nice places, which also makes your day. So this is one reason why I love doing my job. It's for scenes like this, which is just incredible. So next up, Nuneaton, which is an hour away from here. It's like near Coventry, I think. I did have this woman once where she had locked her keys in her car, and her whole family were there, but she was in a car park and the whole car park was empty because it was a Sunday evening. She was very stressed. I went out, I got into a car very quickly, and I then stood up, and as I stood up, she then literally just hugged me, just ran up to me and just hugged me, and that just made my day. And it's stuff like that that makes your day, is all the compliments that you get and how quick you are at your job. And especially when I've got Barney here as well, they always compliment the dog, more than me sometimes. But yeah, no, it's a good customer makes your day, definitely. So it's not just the case that a simple call comes in to a locksmith and we have to go out and save the customer. It's the case that it gets called through to the office, where the office then have to find where the customer is, what the type of job is. Then they have to find the locksmith that's perfect to go out for the job in the area. So it's not just us locksmiths trying to fight, it's the people within the company in the call centre as well that are having to deal with the same struggles. And then they do everything that they can to provide the best locksmith for the job, making sure that we go out first time, being able to complete the job first time, to satisfy the customer's needs, and just to get all the 5-star ratings that we still get to this day.